So this video is for my techies and my techies alone. So if you are not my techie, please slide. Okay, you can stay. In this series of how to get hiring managers to see you as an asset and hire you, I've come to understand that most of the big problem and challenges that people tend to have and is making them not to pass their tech interview or get the job is the lack of understanding of data structure and algorithm. And yes, if you're someone who is in software development, whether you're a backend developer, you're a front-end developer, you're a mobile developer, or you are a blockchain developer, what I have come to understand as a founder of a tech community is that most people, most especially beginners and intermediate, they tend to fail their tech interviews because they don't have this basic knowledge of data structure and algorithm. And yes, most of them really know that they don't have these skills, but then they tend to try to beat around the bush, cut corners, and then maybe build projects, put project on their portfolio, and at the end of the day, they tend to fail these technical interviews. And yes, like I always say, have your portfolio, have what you've built. My previous video, I say, try to work on that company before you even start working there, which is building application that is similar to what that company already has. The problem that most of you have from my analysis is the lack of knowledge of data structure and algorithm. And don't get me wrong, I've been there. One of the things I found out is that getting good resources that will help you in understanding the basic data structure and algorithm is really scarce. I can remember the time I was looking for a way to understand deep into data structure and algorithm. I got a course on Udemy. And that course just went through nail on the head to tell me what I really need to understand. I can remember that I searched, and with a lot of practice, I was able to pass that text interview. But the good thing here is someone has actually looked at the lack of resources for software developers to have basic knowledge of data structure and algorithm, and has come up with a comprehensive guide, a comprehensive book called Data Structure and Algorithm. And I'm simply going to show you what this book entails within a minute, because I have gone through this book and I've been enlightened and I've gotten so many understanding of basic data structure and algorithm. So this book has over 90 algorithm challenges. This is not just any type of algorithm challenges. These are algorithm challenges that have been handpicked for you to pass that tech interview. Also, this book has over 60 pages of insight into algorithm for real world applications, like algorithm that will help you in your tech journey, in your building journey, real world applications with this data structure and algorithm. And also, it has a comprehensive coverage of essential data. So this is not even me promoting anything. It's something that I've gone through and I've come to understand what this book entails. So if you are a techie, you're a beginner, whether you're a beginner in software development, whether you're a beginner in data structure, in cyber security, in mobile development, you need to get this book. I'm going to be putting the link of this book on my caption or on my bio, depending on the particular platform that you see this post, so you can have a first-hand look at this book and see what I'm talking about. Okay, the book is up here.